Unraveling the Art of Conveying a Message. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring an essential aspect of communication, conveying a message. Whether it's through words, gestures, or expressions, understanding how to effectively convey a message is key to mastering English. So, let's break it down together. At its core, conveying a message involves transmitting ideas, feelings, or information from one person to another. It's not just about the words you use. It's how you use them. The goal is to make your intended audience understand and, ideally, feel or respond to what you're saying. This can happen in various contexts, such as writing, speaking, or even through nonverbal cues. Clarity. The cornerstone of conveying a message is clarity. Your message should be clear and straightforward, free of unnecessary jargon or complexity that could confuse the listener or reader. Tone. The tone of your message can dramatically affect how it's received. Adjusting your tone to match your audience and purpose, whether it's formal, informal, friendly, or authoritative, helps ensure your message is interpreted in the way you intended. Nonverbal cues. Often, how you say something can be as important as what you say. Nonverbal cues like facial expressions, body language, and gestures play a significant role in reinforcing or undermining your message. Feedback. Effective communication is a two-way street. Paying attention to feedback, whether verbal or nonverbal, lets you adjust your message or clarify as needed to ensure understanding. Let's look at some examples to see these components in action. In a job interview, conveying confidence through your posture and clear, concise answers can make a significant impact. When writing an email, choosing your words carefully and considering your tone can prevent misunderstandings. In casual conversation, your facial expressions and gestures can add warmth and reinforce your words. Conveying a message is an art form that lies at the heart of effective communication. By focusing on clarity, tone, nonverbal cues, and feedback, you can ensure that your message is not just heard, but understood and felt. We hope this video has shed some light on the nuanced ways we share ideas and feelings with each other. Keep practicing, stay curious, and until next time, happy learning.